Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Kendall Rodriguez back in business here, and we are at Valley Stream. Beautiful, beautiful Nassau County in Long Island. And we got some school supply shopping to do. We're gonna get right back to you. So you guys gotta help me out here because she's in pre-K, she's a little kid, she's gonna need like a whole bunch of stuff that I probably never have gotten when I went to school, especially if I never did pre-K. Oh shit. Drop the list. Okay. All right. So we got to get 5 paper towel rolls, 2 bottles of Purell, 3 Clorox wipes, 4 containers of baby wipes, current passport pictures, or yeah. Let me keep that list right there. Apparently these shopping carts don't work. All right. Found a shopping cart. Not as hard as it looks, but when you actually have none and there's one, we're in business. Here are some of a few things that I think are really important to starting out. Is that, yeah, you got to get your equipment and all that kind of stuff. And one thing that, even as part of like the shoot everyday campaign that I got going on, is that take your camera everywhere with you. You never know when your opportunity might, spring upon you, and somebody might ask you to take a picture. I mean, you don't have to carry all of your gear with you. I mean, just take one camera and one lens. Wherever I went, I took my camera with me, and that's how I did it. I mean, people thought I was crazy walking around with a camera bag every single day, but you have to seize the opportunities whenever they present themselves. So. Possibly one of my most favorite words. Like sweet and spicy, and you can't go wrong with those two kind of flavors. Mac and cheese balls comes with a nice little sauce here. With this mac and cheese fried, I think this is the best I've ever had. This right here. Done. When you're trying to make your way as a photographer, offer your services for free. That's one way to start to get noticed. That way you'll be able to build a portfolio of work. You'll be comfortable with with meeting new people. Photography is a people business. It's all about the people, and be courteous. You're not doing them a favor. They're doing you a favor by either hiring you or selecting you to do whatever it is, whatever services that you're going to provide. But then you still have to deliver. You still have to be customer minded. You still have to be customer focused. And so putting together a wedding album, putting together, doing editing and doing a package, doing a video package and all that good stuff takes time. Time is money.